forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, drop. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
nothing wrong with that.
They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to.
So yes guys, the whole point of this series I guess is to find hidden rivers, hidden gems, rivers and places that are not so popular with tourists and with the vast majority of people. So we keep hearing about this place. We live so close to it. Like it's quite local for us.
Yeah.
We pass the main road every day. Didn't really know this was here until maybe a few months ago. And we said we must come and check it out, Madafed River. So guys, come and check it out. Of course, we'll offer this as part of our tours and excursions. If you want personalised tours, you want to come and experience this adventure, book this excursion through us. What's nice about this is, like I said, it's not a touristy place. Locals come and enjoy. There's a very, very small entrance fee of $500 per person. When you come here, you're just going to see pure locals.
Yeah.
And it's just beautiful. It's off the beaten track. If you like adventure, this is it. Let's get into it. Let's show you some more. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the river. We have to walk this trail in the bush. Is it out now? So yes people, to park up and you have to walk through this trail. It's like a little adventure excursion. Yeah, it's a bit steep.
Part of the adventure, eh?
Part of the adventure. Guys, look how steep it is down there. So keep going. So this is a bit of an adventure. I think I love this, Lots of our people love this. Yeah. Yeah. And here we are. Look how beautiful this is. Yeah. Look at this guys, how beautiful is this? Wow. This is what I'm talking about. These hidden gems, these hidden beauties. Madafed. In St Ann. Hey guys, welcome to Madafed River. But look, you've got all the hills and the forest.
Forest to the mountains.
Mountains.
Green, everything is green.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And what I like is that you've got people cleaning up the place, the locals, clean the place up, they look after the place, so they ask for a small donation in return, which is fine, you don't mind giving them something, but they keep the place clean and tidy. A little music playing. Yeah. So See, the locals keeping the place clean. A little bar. You can buy a little drink if you want. Yeah. Oh, look.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah. You got them?
This one, come on. Come on.
Walk down the steps, and go right down to the river.
Going down the aisle.
Did you hear what say that again? Did you hear what he said?
Going down the aisle.
Look guys, look at this. Wow. So close and yet so far.
What's
How
up?
close you are to the river. Nice. Yeah man.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. This, no man. This,
Yeah,
people,
man. It's nice, man.
this, I am shocked. No, I'm shocked.
We come back tomorrow.
Yeah, man. This, look at this. You got your little swings there. One day you can go in the water. Look how clear and nice the water looks. Look, people, look. This is beautiful. And we're in this nice little, we just found a little bench. We're chilling right in front of the river, right in front of the...
A good look, man.
Do you know what? And the thing is, like, I'm so amazed because, like I said, we're so close to this place. We pass the main road
Most of the time.
We're like about 10 minutes away from here. It's nestled in St Ann, and these are the places that I love. These little hidden gems that you know are not populated. Not too many people may know. I guess the locals know about it, but not too many. You know, other people know about it. And
so them say them ability, you know.
yeah. So what basically the locals, they take, as you can see, they take care of it. They sweep up the place. They make sure the place is clean. So they do ask for a $500 entrance fee, which I think is well worth it. They're keeping it, right? And they're making a little business as well for themselves, and you know, but they're looking after the place. I just saw, actually, I didn't get it on the vlog, but there's a place, a man cooking some food. I saw 2 pots on the fire.
Yeah, man.
So you can come, you can bring your picnic.
More people coming too.
You can come, buy your food, buy your drinks. There's a bar. There's a little bathroom setup thing. You know, it's not a proper.
Go look the people. Just tell me so no one go mad at River.
Yes. Yeah, if you're watching this and you say, boy, I want to go there, you know, just hook us up. You know, our tours business is datmisehtv Tours. We are on Instagram. Check us out. Our number's down in the description. If you want to reach out to us, give us a call, send us an email, whatever.
Yeah, man, get the package
book your
deal.
tours, get your package deal, and we can take you here. If you like the rustic nature, you know, localizing,
natural nature,
yeah,
level.
this is where you need to come. Places
nature.
like this, and there's loads more places like this. So, guys, this is what I'm saying. This is like the first part of this, because there's so many more rivers and places that to see and discover, and we're going to be bringing you that series. So we've got other rivers and places that we want to show you guys, hidden gems in and around St Ann and St Mary.
Everything covered.
So guys, just look out for that, because we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I know everything go down.
Yeah.
Around the way I swing go. Never drop it. I really thought, man, nice river.
Beautiful.
Can't lose.
Anyway,
Never
guys,
wrong.
back to the river, and I must put my foot in.
Your family.
Yeah.
You can bring your family.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Family, yeah. Friends, family.
Very family oriented.
Yeah.
Yes, so we can do that.
Friendly community, friendly people.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why we can carry tourists, you know. But
Of
this
course.
is for the local.
Yeah.
And a lot of tourists want to see where the locals are.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So we on it. We on it.
Yeah.
We on it.
Yeah. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful.
Let's get back to the river. Back to the river.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessing they are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the burning, the test, the plus.
The things out there. Yeah. You see them youth and whatever. Where? Yeah, water road.
Beautiful. Absolutely. So I'm going to test out the river, see if it's cold.
This water is surrounded by this. Look at that going on. Green forestry. Green, I mean like green. Naturally green. You can barely see the sky through it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Atmosphere is good too.
Yeah.
Nice weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Right around here.
Ooh,
Ooh.
cold.
Come here. What's wrong with this girl?
If it's cold, no, it's cold.
Good water, man. Real water. I like to put it in there. You know? I don't understand this girl. Why you never put on water clothes?
No.
Seriously, babe?
Stony, it's not stone.
Yeah, but no problem, man.
Never decided. Guys, the water's cold, but it's nice. It's nice.
But when you get, if you like 2 more seconds, 5 more seconds, they're good.
Yeah.
Like if water get used to your body now. Watch out, people. Look at these. So nice, see?
By the riverside, guys.
Right down by the riverside. I was just looking for Mark and Heritage, Gramton, Peter and Mojo. God, they sing the song. They were down by the river. I haven't seen one of them.
I think I would need water shoes.
Okay.
Because it's not
Put a little something nice. Yeah,
Rock,
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all need that.
But nice people. Nice.
Where's the gold? That's a nice one.
You wanna go in? You going in?
Where are you?
You hear these people.
Just like you, just like you. Just the same thing we're doing.
You're gonna do that?
I'll do that, yeah.
Okay.
Real. I'm gonna party by himself up there. We'll have him thing up there. Rum cup, rum bottle, music box, food, liquor cup, the whole rugs him up. Right on the side. Good.
All I said is I'm gonna go wet his foot, guys. Going in there with the shoes, you know.
Water shoes.
Yeah, it is a rubber shoe, still plastic shoe, so you can. But your shorts are gonna get wet.
My shoe getting wet?
Your shorts are gonna get wet. If you
Wet?
go. Yeah.
My shoe getting wet?
You're taking the mickey at my
Shorts.
accent. Yeah.
Shorts.
Your shorts.
My shoes getting wet. My shoes getting wet.
You're taking the mickey at my British accent, guys. Like you don't understand what I'm saying. How does it feel?
Nice, man. Water nice.
Yeah.
Coming back up here, coming in the water, the whole thing.
Yeah, definitely.
Don't wash me not and all and stuff there.
Yeah, what she's
Come to that.
go what she's lost.
Yeah, I wash me not. I come back, I wash me not. The water there. Mother Fed River.
Yeah.
Right, the name.
Yeah.
The name, give me a buzz.
Yeah.
Mother Fed.
Have a buzz.
Yeah. Sound like one leader, I know.
And it goes all the way down.
Yeah, man, come.
Oh, look at the boys. Oh, look. Oh. Jamaica's people, Jamaica's nice. Look at all these nice, yeah, these nice natural. Look at all these nice natural beauties. Yeah, man. Jamaica's nice. We just need to sort out the crime and the poverty. But other than that, Jamaica's a beautiful place. Look at them. And you know, young kids just having fun in nature. They're not on iPads. They're not on mobile phones. They're not on iPads, they're not on mobile phones, they're just enjoying the time in the river. Outdoors, enjoying outdoors. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, love to
By the river. Waiting for the good Lord to pass our way.
Yeah, we're there on the Mother Fed River, all our vibes and all outland there and pass through.
Yes.
Body YouTube around. You know, we have a great vibes. You know, we think of breadfruit, pan grill and ackee and saltfish. You know, we think come down. Anytime you want all our vibes, just pass through Mother Fed River, same way, you know. The young youth them there go and do the right thing. You see me?
And prayers.
Out there, that is it. My name is Biggs.
Ronaldo here.
Ronaldo.
Soldier, you see me? So, you know where you go.
Active.
Big up yourself, you know.
Good
Out
vibe,
there.
good river, nature,
Yeah, man.
Mother Fed.
That is it.
hear me, people? That me say.